Hi, last Friday we were talking about the Boolean theorem. We covered this part already. This is a difficult part, which I spent quite a subsidiary amount of time to talk to you guys. I think most of y'all catch the ball. Now let's look at something new, so-called the De Morgan theorem. The De Morgan theorem, you look at the right-hand side and left-hand side. This guy A plus B got a big bar on top is equal to A got a bar. Okay, what you have to remember for this new theorem. We just remember there's a slogan, break the bar, change the sign. You see that? Here, we break this. Let's say, well, I want to break at this time. This is a plus, right? After that, it will become a dot here. So it's break the bar, change the sign. Now become A bar dot B bar. Let me prove it to you. So this is a truth table from the A plus B got a bar on top. And this is another truth table from A bar dot B bar. You'll find that both are exactly the same. We just substitute a 0 and a 1 into a so-called equation here. So you get this 1, 0, 0. Same again with this one. Both right-hand side and left-hand side, the outcome are exactly the same. They are the same behavior. Here you go. This one, okay, we got A dot B got a bar on top. Let's say we break it here. So it will give us A bar plus, now become a plus B bar. Let me prove it to you. What we did is correct. So, okay, the truth table for the right-hand side and the truth table for the left-hand side. We have the same behavior. The output exactly the same. Let's look at some example later on. The De Morgan, okay, here you go. Break the bar, change the sign. A plus B got a big bar on top is equal to A bar dot B bar. And 18, A dot B got a big bar on top. The dot now become a plus. Some simple example. You break the bar, change the sign, you see that become A bar dot B bar dot C bar. Here you go. We break here. We break here. The next one, we have this logic AND function A dot B dot C. Let's say we break from here. The logic AND now become a logic OR. Got a plus. So A bar plus B bar plus C bar. Break here, break here. So we students mostly have this common mistake. They think A dot B bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. This is wrong. Okay, we look at those examples, right? So here you go. One thing before I talk about this, let me remind you this. Last time we also always talk X is equal to this guy, right? If X you put one more bar will be the guy with the bar, right? Inverted. Let's say you put another bar, it will be inverted back again. Bar, it will be inverted, and so on. Very, very important concept. Okay, let's do it. We break the bar here. Okay, here we break is a dot here. Now become a plus. A logic. It was a logic AND function. Now become a logic OR. You also know that double X now become X. Right. Second example. Same thing. We break it. Become X dot Y bar. Very simple. Number 3. Okay, we check out the group. Put a bracket so everybody won't get confused. Then we break the bar here, become a dot, and then the next one. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, let me write it out for you, just in case you don't understand. Okay, like this. So what do we do then? We break the bar here, become A bar dot double B, right? So become A bar dot B. I beg your pardon, it's not dot. I made a mistake here. It's not dot, sorry. Break the bar, change the sign. The dot become a plus. Sorry. Okay, so that's why you got an A bar plus B. Here you go. Change, break the bar, change the sign. So you multiply them out like A bar plus C, A bar C bar plus B C bar. Right. Look at the other example. We break here first. Here you go. Then the left hand side, right hand side we set to accordingly. Break here, double A, double D. Here you go. Very straightforward, right? One more example. Break the bar, we break here, break this 10. Okay. Once you get this, take out a further breakdown, become a plus. Here, okay, you take out the common factor W bar. Now, from here you can identify here y plus y by equal to 1, right? Why? Because it's a logic OR function. If the one at input is called y, the other guy is so-called y bar, right? Y bar, that means like this, I've got an inverter here, so this guy is y bar. That means if this is a 1, this is a 0. If this is a 0, this has to be a 1, right? Output will be 1 all the time. Okay, this is a logic OR function. As long as there's a 1 in the input, the output will be a 1. So here you go. But now you see from here, this is another one. Logic OR. If the input is a 1 all the time, we don't care about what it is already, right? So the output is 1 all the time. Simple. Have to remember. Number 6. Okay, we multiply them out together, right? So A plus A bar, this is a logic AND function, my friend. Logic AND, both must be 1 and 1 output will be a 1, right? Otherwise, if one input is a 1, the other input is 0, so the output has to be a 0. So this is gone. Okay. B and a B, you know, by this time you know what's B and a B, right? Two input also B. This is a B, this is a B. If both 0, output 0, output 1. So this double B will become a B, right? So 110 is 0. So left with this. This time now you know how to see already. This is a logic OR function, but one of the guys is a 1, so the whole thing become a 1. There you go. Equal B. Next example. Okay, now this is quite important concept. In this case, right, you see x plus y, right? You see x plus y here. This guy, x plus y, but got a bar on top, right? So what you can write is, if you let w is equal to this term, so this guy obviously is a w bar, right? So you say that this is a w, this is a w, right? Equal to a 1, right? Logic OR. The one is so-called w. This guy is a w bar. Here you go. This guy is 0, this guy is a 1. If this guy is 0, this has to be a 1, but it's a logic OR function, right? So the output must be 1. Alright, any problem with that? Very simple. This example. Alright, we take out the common factor. This one, by this time you know already, 1 plus anything is equal to 1, right? Okay, fine. Right. So it's equal to A bar B. Also by this time you know already, right? This guy is simply can write A plus B, right? Right? Remember this? Remember last time we learned A is equal to A plus AB, right? Okay. So A plus. Now we have this A plus A bar B, okay. This guy can answer is A plus B. If you're not sure, I prove it to you. We got A is this term, right? I substitute into here. A B, because this whole term is equal to A, then plus A bar B, alright, become what? A plus, okay, I take out B common factor, A plus A bar. This you know is equal to 1, right? So that's why A plus B. Any problem? So far so good? Okay, my time is up, so I will stop here.